Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kastiana, and as you can see by the title of this video, we are testing out this beauty right here. I already have my eyebrows done, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this eye look. I actually am going to be using the Morphe eye primer. I just bought this with the palette because I had watched James's reveal video or demonstration video or something, and he said not to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is what I normally use, especially for like colorful looks and stuff. So we're gonna try eye primer. I know that you guys already know what it looks like, but I'll just show you guys anyway. Sorry about the glare. There it is. I think this is beautiful. Like, this really is. I have no problems with the way that this is set up and everything. I think it's genius. That's just my opinion right off the bat. So, because I'm wearing blue and because I feel like everyone's been afraid of the blue and purple shades, I think we're gonna use them. I've been in like a really good mood with like experimenting with my makeup and stuff, so we're gonna try. Okay, so I'm going to take cola and I'm gonna start out by packing that into my crease, and I'm gonna do that with the Morphe E22, and it looks very pigmented on the Okay, so as you can tell, I'm like packing this on. I feel like it looks more pigmented on camera than it's pulling through in real life, but we will see. So I'm just gonna continue to pack that on, and he said that the layer, you can build the colors up, so that's exactly what I'm gonna try to do with this blue shade. I thought it was gonna be more like deeper, I guess, and not as soft. I think that's where that's just my impression. Like, I thought it was gonna be more bold, but let's pack some more of that cola color on. Okay, that's much better. That's what I thought was gonna happen here. Okay, we're doing good. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad because you can build it up to what you want, so I'm not mad. Okay, so I have the cola shade on, and this is what it's looking like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of blend it. I'm gonna go into Playground, and which is shade right above cola. This one right here. And I'm just gonna use that to blend out this shade with a Morphe M433. Okay, yeah, that's super pigmented. Love that. Wow. That looks really good. It's blending so nice into the next shade, you know what I'm saying? Except this cola shade doesn't seem to want to blend that well. Let me try packing. There we go. Okay, we're getting there. I feel like I'm having to really push down over here to blend that out. Come on! It's like not blending over here. And maybe that's because I didn't put a lot of primer over here. I don't know. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take more of cola and pack it in. That way we can just brighten that up a little bit more. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. I think now, like after building them up, I think they look true to the color that they look in the pan. if that makes sense. Like, you know how some shadows you use and it's like, that doesn't look like the color that it looks like in the palette. Not the case. Which, obviously this isn't like a look that you would wear like everyday use, but I wanted to test the colors because I feel like that's what's really in right now, and that's what makes people want to buy this palette, is the fact that you can do color or, you know, like a simple, like natural looking look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend. I'm not taking any more product, I'm just blending this. Okay. Now we're gonna go into the purple next door. Escape. Take Escape on the M139 brush and put it out here to darken this up a little bit and mainly into the crease. Ooh, that's a really pretty purple. It blends really nice into the blue as that was weird. Okay, so like over here it looks super pigmented, and then the more I blended it out, it was just kind of like, but it still looks good. So let's try to pack it on. Okay, yeah, here we go. It's working. So now what I'm gonna do is I am actually going to take this very, very sparkly purpley, purple like glitter shade, and it has blue undertones, so I think it just like make this look bomb. And that is the shade Artistry Fitting. So I'm just taking that on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm going to spray it with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh my god, I am obsessed. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade because it's more like cool, like neutral. So this is Canvas, and I'm just gonna take Canvas and kind of blend this out. This is the final look. I just added some of Skip and Escape on the lower lash line, and then I added some of Hello into the inner corner, and then I did my face off camera because I figured you don't need to see my face because it's about the eyeshadow. So this is the final look. Do you like it? If you do, please give it a thumbs up. My overall thoughts on this palette, it's a really good palette. I think definitely follow his advice. Oh, I got concealer on my lash. Awesome. Definitely follow his advice with using the primer instead of the concealer, because the videos I did see with the concealer, it didn't really go so well, but I had almost no problems with the primer. I will say that you do have to build up the eyeshadow, but I do that anyway, so I really don't think that that makes this palette a miss for me. I definitely think it's worth the money. The shadows really did, I mean, this pink, wow. So yeah, that is the final look. Make sure you leave any suggestions on upcoming videos in the comments below. Any feedback or constructive criticism that you have for me, I appreciate it all. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.